Yep. This morning, it was it was running and now it stopped after I woke up. Yeah. Uh, and the LG water air conditioner and my window air conditioner has a JSMC water compressor, but it sounds familiar to me, and yeah, it sounds familiar to me. I mean, the GMCC compressor from the LG, it sounds different, and my air conditioner sounds different too. So yeah. So I guess it doesn't have the same similar sounds of it. So yeah, but they both have GMCC or the compressors, but it sounds different. Yeah. Oh, and the GMCC from the compressor from the LG, it just clicked on because I just heard it from my ears. Yeah. And I noticed that the fan was running before the compressor starts. So yeah. Oh wait, I think the compressor was shut off and then it turned back on. Oh yeah. Yeah.